Welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In the last video, we discussed about executable jar file or not base. So that means I am creating a one calculator application. So I compile this calculator application in order to generate the dot class file. After that, I prepared a one manifest file including this main method class. So after that, I have created a one executable jar file, and whenever we are executing this executable jar file, this jar file is executed or not base. Yes, so now if we see, so previously how we are executing our Java application, executable jar file here. So using Java command or not. Yes, so Java -jar. Yes, after that, whatever the application jar file is there, if I'm executing this jar file, it is executed or not. This application is executed. So 25 plus 30, 55. So this is the how we are calculating the addition within the calculator application or not. But so how this application is executed here? By using jar command. So now this execution is executed successfully. Now this jar file is so gives an output guys, but so as a outside people, the people don't know about the commands in order to execute your jar file or not guys. Yes, I prepared a one particular application here, make this application as a executable jar file, but I given this executable jar file to the end user. Means end user is a technical people or non technical people guys. So they are a non technical people, they don't know how to execute your executable jar file, they don't know how to execute this jar file or not, because those comments they don't know guys. So Java, if and jar, these comments they don't know, right? Yes, that's why. So what is the another solution to execute your Java application? So without doing any command prompt, without any technical knowledge, means then we should make it as a batch file or not this. Yes, so whenever we are creating this batch file, yes, so without any comments, happily this file is executed or not. Yes, so how to create this batch files means, so first what is the first step we need to follow here means, first we have a executable jar file or not. Yes, so create a executable jar file guys. Create executable jar file for your Java application. Yes, so once this executable jar file application is ready, and after that, so what is the next step we have to do here means, create a one normal application, create a file and save this file with dot backbase that file extension. So this is how we need to create it. So this is how we need to create a batch file guys. So within this file, what we have to do here, so what are the application, how I executed this jar file, the same command we have to place within this jar file guys. Within the jar file, if I am placing this jar file, yes, command, automatically that jar file is executed. So from this batch file guys. So that is very simply okay. So after that, so once this batch file is ready, what is the next one here? So open the command prompt, and just execute batch file or not. Just execute batch file, then automatically that application is executed or not. Yes, so now let's create, already we have a executable jar file or not. Yes, so what are the executable jar file is there? So this calculator jar file is available. Let's create a batch file guys. So if I am saving this file with batch file means now batch file is executed or not. Yes. So this is the command. So let's save this file as dot bat. So if I am saving with dot bat means it is a batch file or not. Yes, if it is a batch file, and now if we see, so one batch file is generated here or not. Yes, Windows batch file. Now simply we can execute this batch file. So definitely that application is executed without any comments or not. Yes, now once we do this, if you observe here, so whenever we are executing like this, automatically internally it call this particular application or not. This is 25, 89. If I'm executing like this means output we are getting or not. So this is the simple way we can create a batch file guys. So as like there are multiple comments we can write within the batch file, but simply So in order to execute your application, so I am creating only one command or not. Yes, so this is the how, without any comments also. So previously I used this command, but so now outside people they don't know about this command or not. That's why if I'm creating a batch file, simply they can execute this batch file right without typing anything.